This is where Kaappi lives. Kaappilang.org. One page, one promise. Write the lambda, run on the metal. A complete R7RS-small scheme, implemented in Zig, that compiles to native binaries. Let's walk the site the way you would on your first visit. And right there on the homepage is the whole language in one line. You write map of a lambda squaring x over the list 1 to 5. It returns 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. No ceremony, no build file, just an expression and its value. Installing is one line. Curl the install script, pipe it to bash, and you get the Kaappi binary plus thottam, the package manager. If you'd rather not pipe a script into your shell, the same page lists signed binaries for macOS, Linux, Windows, and the BSDs, and shows you how to verify them. But you don't have to install anything to start. Try It is a real scheme playground. The same interpreter, compiled to WebAssembly, running inside your browser tab. Nothing is sent anywhere. The language is just there on the page. So let's type the signature line ourselves and run it. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Computed right here by Kaappi in the browser. That's the fastest possible path from curiosity to a running scheme. If you'd rather be led, the tour is 12 short lessons, each with a live editor beside the prose. Hello world, numbers, strings, lists, defining functions, and on through the language. You read a paragraph, you change the code, you run it. When you want depth instead of a tour, the guide is the long-form documentation. Getting started, the language itself, the tooling, how to extend Kaappi with your own code, and what it takes to run it in production. Procedures next door is the per-category reference, and the cookbook is task-shaped recipes. And a language is only as useful as what ships around it. The ecosystem page covers web and networking, data formats, databases, math, developer tools, and example applications, each its own library, installable with thottam, with the dependency graph laid out so you can see how they stack. That's the site. Read it, or skip straight to the playground and type something. The whole thing is built so you can try Kaappi before you commit to installing it. Links are in the description. Subscribe if you'd like more of these. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kaappi.